Hey guys, this is Kartika Kantwal from Apex FinServe and I'm back with your daily dose of charts for tomorrow's trading session. It's a fresh week, so I hope you had a wonderful, relaxing weekend and also that you're prepared for the first trading session of the week. But if you're not, don't worry, I come to you with the watch list and the index analysis. Now, without wasting much time, starting with the first trade for tomorrow. The first trade that we have on the equity side is a short planned on ACC. Now, last week, as you can see, it was in a range, it had a fresh breakout, but that breakout was not sustained and it quickly came back and even broke that range on the downside. So, what we are going to do now is take a short position on a simple role reversal and then again reclaim resistance at 1780. Stop loss at 1805, ideal targets 1% on the downside. Moving on to the second equity trade is HUL. Similar to ACC, it did break the range on the downside and the exact role reversal level is where we are going to go for a short support and resistance theory at 2215, stop loss at 2245, ideal targets 1% on the downside. Moving on to the fourth is once again a short on Torrent Pharma. Here as well we are going to go for a role reversal based short at 2530. However, this also happens to be the previous swing high in an ongoing lower high formation, giving it further credibility. Stop loss at 2560, ideal targets 1% on the downside. The third is Maruti. Now Maruti, if you remember, I told you guys that it was in a flat trading range. As you can see, no structural formations were there. However, last two trading sessions it fell severely and it has broken that range on the downside. So it has also filled the gap that was there in the beginning of that range now. So now we are going to go for a short at a support and resistance here as well at 7430. Stop loss at 7519 or 7520. Ideal targets 1% on the downside. The final equity trade is a rare feature MGL or Mahanagar Gas Limited, where we are going to go short at a supply zone which also happens to be the nearest swing high at 1205, stop loss at 1220, ideal targets 1% on the downside. Now all the equity trades were shorts and for good reason, because everywhere the higher lows or the flat out range was broken on the downside, and it's a very easy structure based short explanation of a simple retracement pullback short. On the indices, however, it's a bit trickier because you cannot aggressively simply go short at the retracement. However, when I talk about the first chart that we have on the index side of things being Nifty, to be honest, 15,000 is a really critical level. I will only go for shorts under 14,975, targeting 14,920 or 14,900 as my primary target. However, as long as 14,975 wala zone, which is visible here, is being sustained, I am skeptical on aggressively shorting. But still, if you were to force me to take shorts, 1505, 15075 is a good level for taking role reversal based short trades. For long positions, I guess on the downside, if there is a red opening, you can go for aggressive longs near 14925 because you have a zone there. Stop loss going under 14870, 860, targeting the first zone at 14975. Again, that depends on the opening. When I talk about the option chain side of things, I have immediate resistance at 15100 with 70,000 added contracts, significant at 15,200 with a hefty 1.3 million added contracts. The support comes in at 15,000 obviously with 290,000 added contracts, significant at 14,900 with 452,000 added contracts. The PCR of volume comes out at 0.98, so nothing really special there, so I'm not really paying it that much of an importance. Moving on to the second chart that we have, Bank Nifty. Now, one thing to be noted is Bank Nifty and Nifty both are on similar points. Here you can see strong lower high formation, sort of a channel based movement as well. Similar are the charts on Bank Nifty, strong lower high formations. Now Bank Nifty tomorrow, I would say 35,800 36,000 ka range hai. You can buy above 36 for 36,200. You can sell under 35.8 for 35.6 or 35,600. So either way, it's a 200 points ka move, and the stop loss is also 170 to 200 points. So that is a 1:1 RR ka trade, which I will be waiting for tomorrow in the first half an hour of the trading session. Which side depends on the opening and the first 2 to 3 15 minutes ka candle on how they close. When I talk about the option chain side of things for Bank Nifty, I have resistance at immediate 36,000 with 565,000 added contracts, significant at 36,300 with 180,000 added contracts. The support comes in at 35,800 with 75,000 added contracts, significant of course at 35,500 with 370,000 added contracts. The PCR, however, to be noted comes out at 1.09, which is aggressively bearish, but again I'm not paying it that much of an importance because it is Monday. So fresh expiry, I'm not really trusting the option chain that much as of now. That is it for tonight, guys. Bank Nifty is in a range, and I already told you the levels for Nifty. Bank Nifty 35.8 and 36,000, buy above and sell under. Nifty may wait till 14,975 is broken on the downside, and or on the upside is 15,050, 15,030 is broken on the upside. This is it for tonight. This marks the end of today's analysis video. I hope you start the week on a really green and stable note, and it gets exciting by the expiry. I hope you have been following the Telegram channel at the rate Apex Finso, because I post everything there before the market opens so that you don't have to watch the video again and again during live trading session. So if you are not there, do join the channel as well. It will surely help you out. If you like the video, if you like the analysis, don't forget to support the channel by leaving a comment, liking the video, subscribing of course, and press that bell notification icon as well. I'm sorry for the late upload. I had quite a lot of work today. That's why. But still, anyway, I hope you have a wonderful trading session tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night. Bye.